Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Nissan Kicks. First, ensure your vehicle is equipped with the remote engine start system. This feature allows you to warm up or cool down your car before you even step inside. It's a convenient way to prepare your vehicle, especially in extreme weather conditions, enhancing your comfort. We will cover both key fob and app-based methods for seamless operation. To use your key fob for remote start, begin by pressing the lock button once. Then, within 5 seconds, press and hold the circular remote start button for at least 2 seconds. Your vehicle's parking lights will flash and the engine will start. It will run for a duration of 10 minutes, providing ample time to prepare for your journey. For even greater convenience, you can utilize the Nissan Connect Services app. After ensuring you have an active subscription, simply open the app on your smartphone. From there, you can easily start or stop your engine from virtually any distance. This method offers additional control and monitoring capabilities, making your daily routine smoother. For safe and effective remote starting, always ensure all doors are securely closed and locked. Additionally, the hood must be completely shut. The engine will run for 10 minutes, and you can extend this period once for another 10 minutes by repeating the key fob steps. Remember, never remote start in an enclosed space.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.